What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Milky Made It, back at it again with another FL Studio tutorial. Today I'm going to show y'all a technique I like to use on my intros, only using Fruity Reeverb 2. It's an effect that makes it sound like you're listening to the song in a room through some speakers, and then you cut it off right before the drop, and it adds a little bit of a pizzazz to your beats. I'll show y'all an example of what I'm talking about.
It's Milky.
So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this shit so y'all can see the process. It is simple as hell, I promise. So you got your beat, and you want to add this effect on the intro. You're gonna go over to the master channel right here. I accidentally linked my mic to that earlier, but you're gonna go to the master channel and add Fruity Reeverb 2. And all you got to do is turn the dry all the way down, the wet all the way up, that wet. And then you're going to turn the decay down all the way. And I like to make the room size like, you can use your discretion on a lot of this and play around with it and see what you like. When I increase the room size, it sounds like you're playing it in a cafeteria or something. And room size. That's why it's called room size. Usually I like to automate it, make an automation clip, and do like 8 bars, and then drop it and have the beat come in. So how I do that is just right click right here on this green light, and then create automation clip, and boom. I like to cut it off right before the drop, maybe a bar right before the drop, so I can put my tag right there. And
It's Milky.
oh, I turned it back on. My bad. But yeah, you get the point.
It's Milky.
And that's it. It's an easy process. Well, that's all for this one. See y'all next time, and don't forget, Milky made the beat, bitch.